At first glance, this looks like a completely normal drive on a two-lane highway. Traffic is moving smoothly, visibility is good, and nothing seems out of the ordinary. But situations like this can change in a matter of seconds. On roads like these, drivers only have a small margin for error. One sudden decision, one small mistake, and the consequences can be severe. Now keep your eyes on the car ahead. Right now, it seems to be driving normally, staying in its lane and keeping pace with traffic. But something about the next few seconds will turn this routine drive into a very dangerous situation. When vehicles are traveling at highway speed, drivers often have less than a second to react if something unexpected happens. And that's exactly what's about to occur here. In just a moment, the driver will be forced to react instantly, because a split-second decision from another car nearly causes a head-on collision. Watch closely. This is the moment everything almost goes wrong.